Sammy.
Hi, my name is Sammy, and I'm gonna shoot my tooth out. This bullet's inside, and I'm gonna shoot it to the wall.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, gee!
Nothing happened. Again?
Let me just try it one more time.
It's not working. It's not that. A ver. Don't block the string. No. Yeah. Don't block the string. Yeah. Wait. No. Nothing?
You want me to use his bullet? Maybe it's
No. It's the same thing. Try again. I think these things are not powerful.
Oh.
Nothing happened. Well, now I'm gonna try my method with Daddy's car.
No way.
Okay.
Not with the car.
Why not? With
you with the little car?
Yeah. Oh, you have to try it 3 more times.
3 more times.
I think maybe 4.
Darn you.
Put it close to you.
Oh, you do that!
Do it again. Can you do it like, let's say, 10 times?
Darn you. Oh, you do that!
Nothing happened.
Oh!
Sammy, that Nerf gun doesn't work. I'm gonna try my way.
Wait a second. Oh, darn! I can't even hit the thing! That was better.
Okay, let me shoot. Put
Oh,
it there.
no way, no way.
Put it there. I'm gonna shoot. Stand there. Stay there.
Oh, you do that!
¿Qué le pasó?
Oh.
I think should be the opposite way. Ponlo.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, yo voy a disparar para aquel lado.
¿Cómo?
Quédate ahí. Abre la boca. No sale. Ah.
Dumbo.
Abre la boca. 1, 2, 3.
Ayuda.
Ni siquiera hace nada, ni siquiera lo jala. Vamos por el carro de tu papá.
Oh, no way.
El carrito. El eléctrico.
Yeah.
Espérate, no lo quites.